So hello everyone, today we will learn the inheritance in a Python. So let's start. Like inheritance, parent class transfer all methods and data types to child class. Inheritance provides code reusability to the program. Like this way we can think like the inheritance, like parents having some kind of home, appliances, car, bike, or knowledge, or anything transfer to the child. Then after the parents, this will be the having own child like car, home, anything. It is called as inheritance. And code reusability, it means suppose we make one class and store anywhere, and we can inherit that class whenever we are having the some requirements. Similar way, it is called as inheritance. So here they are showing us like parent class transfer all data to the child class. It means all business logics also we can transfer to the child class. So syntax is like this way: class, parent class, we are mention here body. After that we are typing class, child class. In a parenthesis we can mention here parent class only. That's all. It is the way to inherit one class to the another class. We can inherit multiple times to the different classes also. It is not needed like we can inherit only once. No, we can having the multiple child classes, and we can inherit that one. We can inherit child to child also. Like that way also we can do. So it is called as inheritance. So next, let's start the coding. So we can take here one class and give the emp name of that. So after that we can like give here one def function name is details, and in this details we can pass parameters like self first, and after that we can pass here name and salary simply. Okay, and we can print the name and salary simply, and we can create one instance like obj1 is equals to like emp, and so we can call like obj1 dot details, and we pass here like ram and give the 40,000. Okay, so we can check here like print, not print here, python main.py. Yep, here they're showing us ram and 40,000. Like we did here one class, one function, and create one instance here. Like instance means object, and we pass the some values in a function details. So here we can create one more thing like class person, and we can inherit the emp to this class. Okay, so we can do here like def one function we can take on here like department, like def for department dep, so department, and cell we can give, and so simple we can print here like print like this way. We can I am person class, so simple. Okay, and our class name here to person, so simply, and this is I don't want to change, and we can call this one like python main.py. Yep, here is the showing the good results like this way. Okay, because we inherit here with the employees. So our statement is what? Parent class is pass all data to the child class. That's why it's happened. So this is the happens here, and we can give one more example, like if we can reverse these things. I think no, but yeah, you can check. Suppose create one obj2 is equals to emp, and in this we can create obj2 dot. Here it is showing only details, not a def, dep, sorry, dep, not dep. We can check, we get an error for this because this is not an instance, right, as attribute in dep. Because of the we inherit the emp, we didn't inherit person to emp. That's the reason. So we can close this one. This is for your knowledge purpose. And one more thing, we can create a multiple objects on a single class, or we can create we can inherit the multiple times also. So like this way we can check class, and we can give here like project, okay, project with the emp. So this is project, and div project and client, so this is a client function, self, and we can print here, print like this way, I am client function only. This is okay. And we can create here like obj2 is equals to project, okay, and we can type here like obj2 dot details, and same scene we can pass om, and salary is 20,000, okay, and we can check here, use the python main.py. Yep, here is showing ram for 40,000 and om is 20,000. This is the inheritance with the multiple ways also we can do in a multiple classes also. So if I want to call this client also, so we can call this one also like obj2 dot client, that's it, and we can hit here like python.main. So here it is showing us I am client function. We can type here also like obj1 and department like this, and we can hit, yep, here it is showing this one. So this is called as the inheritance. So if you have any query or any doubt in this, please comment below and subscribe my channel and do like and do the fun with the Python and enjoy this series. Thank you so much.